Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited and so honored you're here today because today I am celebrating 5 years on YouTube. I cannot even believe that it has been 5 years already. And in that time, I have put together over 1,000 videos. I cannot even believe it. And hundreds of shorts to go along with the regular videos. My son has 2 YouTube channels and he was really the one that encouraged me to get started on YouTube. I really thought I would give it a try and see how it went, but I never believed I would keep up with it and last for over 5 years. It has truly been exciting and I really have to thank him and thank my husband Alan for all of their support and all of their help along the way. My favorite part about the videos is having videos that we can watch back from really fun special family events or trips and travels that we've gone on. Most importantly today, I want to thank you, my subscribers and my YouTube friends, for all of your continued and kind support and all of your wonderful and thoughtful comments. I appreciate you more than you know. And of course, without you, I wouldn't have a channel whatsoever. I have some really wonderful, awesome friends here on YouTube that I hope to keep up with and have for the rest of my life. I am retired from the dental field. I was in the dental technology field, making all sorts of dental appliances and apparatus and prosthetics for over 30 years. And now I do YouTube full time. Now I thought just for fun, we would take a look back at some of my favorite clips from some of my very favorite videos. Hi, I'm Jennifer at home and I have a really big surprise for you today. Today I am with the 2024 United States Air Force Thunderbirds. I hope you enjoyed that. I had so much fun putting this video together, and I really appreciate you so much. Once again, I wanted to thank you for all of your help and support and all of your kind words and all of your nice comments. It means so much to me, and I'm tremendously grateful and very, very blessed. I thank you so much, and I hope that we have many, many more YouTube years together. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.